Good morning, everyone. I'm Madhumita. Today, we are going to demonstrate Fiddler Classic, which is a powerful web debugging and traffic monitoring tool developed by Telerik. Fiddler acts like a proxy between the client and the server, allowing us to inspect, capture, and analyze HTTP and HTTPS network traffic in real time. It is widely used by developers, testers, and cybersecurity professionals for debugging APIs, monitoring requests and responses, and also security analysis. Using Fiddler, we can see how data travels across the network, inspect headers, cookies, JSON responses, and even modify requests before they reach the server. It also helps identify network delays, failed requests, and server communication issues quickly and efficiently. Fiddler supports secure HTTPS traffic decryption, which allows deeper inspection of encrypted communication between the application and the servers. Another important feature is session tracking, where every request and response is stored for detailed analysis later. This tool is especially useful during web applications and development because it helps developers troubleshoot errors and verify API functionalities. You can also simulate slower network speeds to test application performance under different conditions. Additionally, Fiddler provides detailed statistics about bandwidth usage, response times, and caching behavior, making it useful for performance optimization. First, we open the browser and search for the official Telerik Fiddler website. From here, we download the Fiddler Classic installer. The installation process is straightforward and only takes a few steps. Now the software is being installed. Once the installation is complete, Fiddler automatically configures itself a local proxy server. Thank you.
Here we can see the Fiddler interface on the left side. We have session list which displays all captured requests. On the right side we have detailed inspection panels where we can analyze headers, cookies, raw data, JSON responses and timings. To generate network traffic, we open or refresh a web page in the browser. Immediately, Fiddler starts capturing multiple HTTP and HTTPS requests. Each line here represents communication between the browser and the server. Every request contains important details such as request method like get or post, status code such as 200 OK or 404 not found, file types found, and content size response timings. This helps developers identify errors, slow responses, and communication issues. Now we are selecting one particular request. Under the Inspector tab, we can view the request header and the response headers. The header contains important metadata such as host information, content type, cookies, authorization detail, cache settings. This is extremely useful for debugging web applications and APIs. Here we can inspect the raw response data returned by the server. If the response is in JSON format, Fiddler organizes it in a readable structure, making API debugging much easier. One of the main advantage of Fiddler is API inspections. Developer can analyze request payload, monitor server responses, and
By clicking rules, we can use the performance and simulate modern speeds. So by this we can alter the network speed of a particular domain. So this will be very useful for the bottlenecks. Now to analyze the complete network activity, we use Ctrl plus A or select all to highlight every capture session in Fiddler. After selecting all the traffic, we open the statistic tab. This tab provides an overall summary of the captured network data. Here we can analyze some important details such as total number of requests, total bytes sent and received, average response size, connection timings, DNS lookup time, TCP connection time, server response time. Using these statistics, developers can identify slow network communication, large data transfers, and performance bottlenecks in web application. This feature is especially useful during performance testing and troubleshooting because it gives complete overview of the entire traffic captured during the session. To conclude, Fiddler is a very effective tool for network monitoring, API debugging, and web traffic analysis. It provides deep visibility into client-server communication and helps developers troubleshoot application effectively. Thank you.